I'm going to use this file to demonstrate how to do a while loop, declare a variable, do a for loop in Visual Basic using Excel. This file can be found here, Karel the robot in Excel. Here's the link. The latest file will be maintained there, the latest file. So I'll scroll down to Karel the robot portion, and I'm going to click on this first link. It'll take us to the Karel tab down here, Karel intro. I'm going to zoom in, and you can do some things here, change the column width, read some helpful tips. What is the challenge? You read this, see what you need to do, click on it to make it go away. You can reset Karel, you can run the macro. Looks like he's just making one step each time I hit run macro, and I can reset it. So now I want to demonstrate a while loop in Visual Basic. If I hit edit macro, I can see the beginning of the macro, the end of the macro, the one thing he was doing, which was move, and then everything behind an apostrophe is a comment. So we'll say while true when, which stands for while end. If it's in green, it's comments, it won't run it. So now it's going to say while true move. Okay? This is an infinite loop, so I need a conditional check that returns a true or false. So I'm going to say while front is clear, move. And then that's going to be the while loop. So while he moves, front won't be clear when he hits this wall. If he goes over this beeper, it's on the ground. In a 2D world, that does not obstruct his movement, but a wall does. So we'll say reset Karel, run. And he stops because front is not clear, which is front is clear is false. So now I'm going to do declare a variable for my for loop. So I'll say dim I as integer. And I'm going to say for I equals 1 to 5, next. Tab that in. I don't have to have the spaces, it's just showing. And so I have good indentation here because it's easy to read. I can tell the while loop is inside the for loop, and it's not going to do much different yet because when I hit run macro, front's blocked the whole time. He needs to turn left facing this way. So I need to say edit macro. After the while loop, I'll say turn left. Good. So we see we did a while loop, a for loop, and declared a variable.